This is not another one of those get rich quick, make money in your sleep, passive income videos. No, I'm going to keep it 100% real with you guys, sharing my personal experience with affiliate marketing and how it has worked for me. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So if you're not sure what affiliate marketing is, definitely check out this video up here. I will link it down below in the description too, where I just gave you an introduction to what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started. In this video, we're going to get deeper into the affiliate marketing world. Affiliate marketing was actually one of the first ways that I made money as an influencer all the way back in 2014. So I 100% recommend it as something you should do and add to your income stream as an influencer. So over the years, I've tried many different platforms, and the one that's been the easiest to use is Impact. And I'm super excited that they have partnered with me for this video. So let's just hop straight into my screen so I can show you exactly what Impact is, how I've been using it for the past year, and how it's managed to increase my income as an influencer. So this is impact.com, and its innovative platform is so easy to use. Whether you're a YouTuber, if you use Instagram, you're a blogger, or even a business owner with a personal brand, impact.com is going to be the middleman that allows you to collaborate with your favorite brands. I love impact.com because it has the best network of brands that I have found from any platform, from fashion to beauty to tech, lifestyle, and you're able to collaborate with these brands that really fit in with the content that you create. You have an amazing user-friendly app, and also you can use the desktop version. I love the metrics that impact.com provides, as they are super in-depth, and you get the key metrics from impressions, clicks, conversions, and also where the clicks came from, which I really love because I can determine whether it is my Instagram or my YouTube channel. Impact.com also makes sure that you have fair compensation for your work, and they provide competitive rates and agreements you can have directly with the brands. Thanks to Impact, I've managed to work with one of my favorite ever brands as a business owner, and any kind of brands that I want to work with in the future or mention organically in my videos are usually available to partner with on Impact. So it's definitely a go-to platform and one where you will definitely find your favorite brands on. It's super easy to get started. Simply head to impact.com. I will leave the link in my description box. Sign up, wait for approval, and then you can get started and apply for brand deals. Now let's get into the reasons why I love and recommend affiliate marketing. Now the first one is because it's slightly passive income. Now it's not complete passive income because you do have to put in the work and find ways for people to click on your affiliate links. But I do love the fact that you can actually put out a piece of content, and that piece of content continue to recommend people to that brand and to that link, and you will gain an income from that link, that affiliate link that you put content out about months or years ago, and you will continue to earn on that piece of content. So I really love that about affiliate income. I find that every month is a surprise when it comes to my affiliate marketing income. I'll look at my dashboard and see how many sales I made within that month, and sometimes I'm completely shocked because people that had clicked on the link months ago only now actually went ahead and paid for whatever product I'm promoting, and now I get the commission for that. So I really love the way that it is kind of passive in a way, and you get that beautiful surprise when people have actually signed up, and you are going to get that referral income from their purchase. I also love the fact that you are able to partner with your favorite brands. Like most of your favorite brands, whether it's within home, pets, beauty, lifestyle, business, are usually available for you to work with as an influencer, as an affiliate partner. Also don't have to have a huge following for affiliate marketing. So even if you have 1,000 followers, less than 10,000 followers, you can still earn commission on the products and the brands that you recommend. It's also a great way for you to build a good relationship with your favorite brands. For example, if you are referring a lot of people to a brand, they are more than likely to see how well you're performing, and they will usually reach out to you so you can work with them directly with some kind of partnership or sponsor any of your future content. The things that I'm not too keen on when it comes to affiliate marketing is just because it isn't too much of a reliable income. So I definitely don't recommend it as the only thing you do, because some months will be good, some months it will dip. It's very much unstable. Also, the payouts can be delayed. So for example, if someone actually clicked on your link and signed up for a product, they might not actually buy that product until a month later, and then it could take a month after they have paid for it for you to get paid that commission. So it's a bit of a slow game at first, but of course it's worth it if those referrals keep coming in on a regular basis. The other con is it can take you having to create consistent content on a certain brand or talking about a certain product, whereas you don't want to get redundant and you don't want to bore your audience if you're always talking about the same thing and referring the same thing. So it's just you having to balance finding ways to not become boring and reinventing what you're speaking about. So that's a bit of a con about affiliate marketing, but again, it's totally up to you. You could stop talking about that brand. If you're not relying heavily on the income from affiliate marketing, you can be way more freer with your creativity and what you want to talk about and what you want to do. So I hope that video was helpful and you are now ready to get signed up to earn that affiliate marketing commission income. Definitely check out impact.com down below. I'll leave it in the description box. Share down below what kind of products or brands you want to start promoting using affiliate marketing, and subscribe so you can catch me in the next video. Bye.